The kitten wants to follow me in again and crawl the net. Ha ha. These little lion-headed geese are a little flustered. They just finished eating. Feed them a little duckling feed. Hello, about half a month or so. Half a month later, give them a tougher meal. That is, just like those chickens, ducks and geese in our family. Eat cooked rice. But the first half month, or give them these, easier to digest. After eating the chickens, the mother took them to scrape the soil. It rained last night, but they don't seem to have a problem. Nothing, just less spirited. Very lively. Inside that cage is a pig calling a chicken. He just came in here to steal people's food. After eating, I went to that cage to pick it up again. When people hatch eggs, he often goes to the closet to grab the nest. The child hatched, and he didn't let it go. I want to grab food. This chicken can't beat him. I can only let him be arrogant. Here. Oh, he also bullies other people's mother chicken. This pig calls a chicken bad to death. But he won't bully these goslings. He's sick of it. He just ate a lot. I'm not interested anymore. I don't want to eat anymore. This kitten has been rubbing the net. He wanted me to touch him. It wants to come in. Mimi. My. This little talker is really clingy. I go out every day, and he follows me. Because of our family, cats are not allowed to enter the house. It's all outside. Mimi. Mimi. His mother is good at catching mice. The chicken shed cat on the mountain. Lives in the chicken coop on the mountain. Then his cubs are near home. There is a public shed next to the house, and there they were in the shed. Mimi. Spoiled ghost. Ah. The mother chicken and these 5 goslings. It lives next to the big goose. Across a net. But they can't get through. These goslings gather. In fact, the gosling wants to rest in this position. Then the mother chicken followed the gosling here. The geese gather. Oops, here comes the kitten. Mimi, how did you get in? Beaten in the past. Ha ha ha. Mother chicken is awesome. He doesn't even stand up. Still squatting there steadily. The 3 goslings opposite, it looks a lot bigger than the one here. It will break the shell first, about 3 days or so. But it seems that the size difference is quite obvious. Penis. He didn't notice it at all. What's wrong with your own baby? Didn't you notice that your baby doesn't look like you? This gosling is biting the feathers of a mother chicken. Can you see it? He tried. There. Can you eat it? Mother chicken is ready to dig the pit and take a bath. The gosling looked at his mother in confusion. Hey, the mother chicken found something delicious. He's calling the baby over, but the goslings don't understand. I didn't understand it for the first day or two. After waiting for about a week, the goslings will understand the call of the mother chicken. Papa Goose is over there. Daddy Goose is there to tempt the cubs here. I want to call these little cubs over there. And there are also two goslings who have mutinied. I haven't put this chicken mother before. And when the goslings are placed in this fence, two goslings snuck into the big goose. Look at these 5 goslings. I want to go and play with Daddy Goose. The mother chicken is messing around here by herself. Mimi, Mimi, Mimi. This one. It was caught from the goose couple next door. The gosling that broke its shell 3 days in advance. Let it go and compare it. Obviously only a little bigger than that 5. Hey, you're going back. Don't go. Don't go. There are many younger brothers and sisters here. Have a look. The goslings that are 2 or 3 days older are so much bigger. He's going back. His parents are calling him over there. But the hen thinks, that one is his own baby. I still want to chase after. But there are 5 more here. So he gave up again and came back with these 5. Gosling. This one is the one with the tilted head. Because he still will. Subconsciously a little crooked. Gosling, gosling. Goose, grab it. Don't let it be caught. Harry. Mimi. 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 This kitten wants me to touch it. It's standing now. You can see its hands are suspended. Stand up by yourself. My hand is on it. Mimi. Mimi. Stand up by yourself. Hurry up. Touch your head. Oh dear. Yes, yes. Stand up and touch. Touch. I like it when people touch him. A pair of small hands have nowhere to put. Ha ha ha. Purr. Aha. You stand up again. Stand up again, Mimi. Mimi. Still not coming. Still not coming. What about milk collection? Mimi. Not high enough. He was picking milk and saw 2 little claws. Mimi. You jump up and stand up. Hey, hey, don't stand. Hurry up. Where to go? Hey, stand up and I'll touch you. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's go. He's back.